Hey guys, have you ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? You could be sitting in class, totally wide awake, and then your friend next to you yawns and suddenly, you're fighting to keep your eyes open too. Well, it turns out that yawning is not just a sign of being tired, but it's also a social behavior. When we see someone else yawn, our brains automatically copy that behavior, making us want to yawn too. It's like our brains are saying, hey, we're all in this together, let's yawn together. And get this, even animals like dogs and chimps can catch the yawns. But, the funniest thing about contagious yawning is that sometimes we don't even need to see someone yawn to catch it. Just talking about yawning or even thinking about it can trigger the same response in our brains. It's like a chain reaction, and it means that we are all in sync. Subscribe for more fun facts.